Super init. This is Georgetown. So very init.
Basta ka na rin?
Okay.
Mga takaran?
It's mainit. Hi there. Look. This is their sky cycling. Yeah, that's the sky cycling. Worth 200 pesos. Then this is the kayaking. That's the kayak there. Made of man-made lake with surrounded with mahogany tree. Yan. That's it. Woo! Init.
Retriever.
The dogs. Those are the dogs.
Napay golden retriever. Napay labrador retriever.
Yeah, that were
Canis familiaris.
Canis familiaris. Then
Canis.
this is
May pangalan. Doberman.
this is dog 101.
Masya pa sa
Dog 101 with many poo-poo.
Masya pa sa
This is what dog are you? Oh, there are two. They are sleeping. Why are you sleeping? What's your name? There's no name. Yeah. Oh, the very big one.
Napalikod ka.
Look. Hi, doggy. You're so big. Ayaw niya, shy type siya. And saan ni Paton? Yeah, let's have the aviary. So different kinds of nga ba? Birds. These are what bird are they? Serpent, pint, eagle, or Spilornis. Sheila. There.
Ayaw. Ginapadagan sila tayo kaya mga bata.
Yeah, so gina-preserve. Ayun! May nahanap ako. Ayun pala, that's the bird. Then there are the small. We're bye-bye na to aviary. Bye-bye! Dang! Sayang, background ay truck. That's it. Wala siyang fish. No fish. Ano yun siya? A fountain. Then we have there. Then mga plantita. Plantita here. This is butterfly. There are a lot of plants. For those plantita, look lang. No picking. Then they have their oh, love you. Jordan D'Amore. Look, mga plantita. Hi. There, plantita. Woo, iyak na.
Hey, Nadrio. Picture ka dyan.
Georgetown. Yo! Video! It's a video. There. There. It's the hanging bridge. Mio is crossing the bridge.